Snoring is a sleep killer, not just for you, but for your partner as well. But that all changes with GODSUMM. So how does it really work? Breathing in through the mouth narrows the airway in your nasal passages. As a result, less air passes through, and the soft tissue palate between the airways vibrate, which causes you to snore. You probably snore like this when you sleep, right? Why not try GODSUMM? Place the T-shaped patch across the upper lip and under the chin. Then place the I-shaped patch across the front of the jaw and stick the last one under the jaw. The elastic strap naturally lifts the jaw, which expands the airway. The tongue is pressed against the ceiling of the mouth. Your lips are pursed together, which then allows for greater airflow with less resistance. The air coming through the nose can now smoothly pass through without causing any palate vibrations, which results in deeper sleep. Waking up in the middle of the night with a dry mouth? GODSUMM has your back. Deafening snoring every night? GODSUMM takes care of that. Teeth grinding and jaw pain? GODSUMM will even help with that. No medicine, no side effects, no waiting. Now you can finally sleep peacefully and get some well-deserved rest so that you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. GODSUMM, a Newton 1665 product.